Now, before I share with you exactly how much I made in this month, the month of December, so let's put $1,500 as my investment because, guys, I got an amazing signal and I wanted to share it with you. As usual, guys, I'm using the same strategy with Bollinger Bands, Parabolic SAR, MACD, and RSI, and as you can see, I got a long position. So as you can see, guys, this strategy is simple, basic, and straight to the point. The way I use it is based on the indicators and also on chart patterns. So for my students who have already purchased my course, please consider this video as a new episode from chapter 4. Please remember the parameters and the techniques I use here are explained in chapter 4. So please go back to chapter 4 in order to be able to follow up with me here. And for those who are interested in our course but can't afford buying it, now you can access our course for free. Just go to our website binarystrategycourse.com, scroll all the way down, you will find a simple mission you should complete, and if you do that, you will have free access to our course. Now, let's go back to our video. So, as you can see, this trade here, this is the first trade in December the 22nd. As you can see, my prediction, I guess it was right. We still have 5 seconds. And if we are right, we are making, I guess, $1,400. Yeah. So a total profit of $2,800, but we made a return of $1,400. Now, before I talk about how much I made, let's open this position. So this is a short position, as you can see. So as usual with $1,500, and I guess that this is another win. Yeah, perhaps. So before we talk about how much I made, let's first talk about how much I lost. Yeah, so as you can see here in December the 19th, this session was perfect until the end, or the last position. So as you can see, I opened 6 positions and the last one was a loss. I guess I stopped trading because I made that loss. So yeah, this one. As you can see, I opened a short position with $300. It was perfect. The market was going down, but something happened and the buyers were getting stronger and the market went up and I lost $300. So I guess that was a signal to stop this session, and that's what I did in December the 19th. This was my last trade. Yeah, my last trade. Yeah, I guess this position is about to close. Yeah, so yeah, another win. Yeah, amazing. So another $1,380, I guess. Beautiful. Yeah, so before we continue, guys, let me see. So I guess that we should increase our investment. So let's trade with, I guess, with $2,000 or 2,500. Yeah, let's put just $2,000, and we are having another short position. I'm sure this one. Yeah, let's open a short position. Yeah, this one. I guess this one is going to be win. So let's continue back to where we stopped. By the way, I got an Excel project where I keep record of all my trades. So December the 19th, I opened 6 positions, 5 wins, and 1 loss, with a total profit of $1,050 this day. Yeah, I won short positions and also some long positions. So three long positions and 2 short positions and 1 loss. Yeah, that day I opened only 6 positions, but I made $1,050. I guess that's not bad, but just wait until I reach December the 2nd. Your mind will be blown how much money I made that day. Yeah. And keep it in mind, I'm only using my own strategy, only one strategy, and this is only on Quotex. So let's take this position. Yep, another beautiful win. So as you can see, guys, I changed my investment to $2,000, and now I'm making 92%. So yeah, let's open this position here. I got another position. All right, so a short position. Yeah, so this position is a little bit risky. So this one, I guess, but I guess it's another win. I guess it's another win. Let's just wait for it. And yeah, let's go back. So we were at December 19th. The day before that, so December 18th, I also traded, but it wasn't on Euro USD. So when I'm trading with different assets, I try to keep my investment low because I'm more familiar with Euro USD and I don't like to risk more with other assets. Yeah. So for example, this one, this position, I opened at a perfect timing. Yeah, This was a short position with $350. The market went down, and by the end I made around $322. So this $672 is my total return. My total profit is $322. Yeah, another win, beautiful. Yeah, I guess we still have more chances or more positions to open. Yeah, here I guess the market is going up next. Yeah, I should open a long position, so I should keep it at $2,000 as usual. This time, I don't think that the market is making a long position or a long uptrend, but it's gonna be a green candle. So let's open a long position. Yeah. And now let's go back to December the 18th. Yeah. So as you can see, I opened 8 positions, also long positions. This one, yeah, as you can see here, the market went up. It was perfect, 92%. Yeah. So I made another $322. The total profit I made this day. So wait a minute, December 18th. Yeah, December 18th, I made $2,576. Yeah, I opened only 8 positions and I made $2,576. That's amazing. I did not made any loss. And I was trading only with US dollars, Canadian dollars. The previous day was December the 14th. So yeah, I didn't trade in December the 17th, December the 16th, or the 15th. The previous session was in December the 14th, and as you can see, I opened 6 positions and I made one loss. Oh, another win. Beautiful. So another $2,840. As you can see, this one. Yeah. So far, everything is amazing. I opened 5 positions and I made, until now, we made 5 wins. Yeah, I guess the next trade, I'm supposed to open a long position here, but I will wait and I will double that, or I will keep it at 3,000. So I guess that we will have a short position, but yeah, let's put 3,000. I guess a short position would be amazing here because the market, I'm 100% that the market we try to go down, but I'm trying, yeah, this signal, please go a little bit up. Yeah, yeah, a short position here, and I'm 100%. This one is 100% going to be a win, 100%, and I'm going to make $2,700. Yeah, so let's go back. Yeah, so December the 14th, 6 positions. I made 5 wins and I made one loss. So this one was the last trade that day. A loss. Once I lost, I stopped trading, and this one was the first trade. So $500, a short position. As you can see, all these positions are $500 short positions. 76%. Yeah. So my profit was $380. Yeah. Total profit, of course, or total revenue was $880. So now this is the end of this position. Let's go back. Yeah, I guess it's a win. It's a win. Yeah, great, great, great. Until now, we opened 6 positions and we won all of them. So my strategy is working perfectly. I guess we still have another short position to open. Let's stick with $3,000. I guess that's the maximum. All right. Yeah. So back to, yeah. So December the 13th. As you can see, I opened 7 positions here and I made 7 wins. So this one, I opened it with $600. I made $1,056 as my total revenue. And yeah, of course, my total profit was $456. This one, for example, I opened with the $500 investment, a short position, of course, and I made $880. Great. So as you can see, I think that I wasn't using RSI here because look, the market went down and then went up back and then stayed at this level. So yeah, I guess I don't want, I did not use RSI at this position. So at the end, I made $880. I guess that this is the end of this position. It's a win. Yeah, it's a win, just as predicted. A short position, great. Short position, and I made another win. As you can see, I guess that parabolic SIR is indicating that we will have another short position. Yeah, another short position. So let's open another short position. Yeah, so with $3,000, of course. All right, now let's go back. The day before, so we was at December the 13th. The day before that was December the 11th. So wait a minute. So December the 13th, how much I made that day? December the 13th, I made, as you can see, $888. $2,888. Sorry. December the 14th, I made $1,400. Now, December the 11th, as you can see, I was trading with USD, CAD, so US dollars, Canadian dollars. I opened 7 positions. I made this loss. This was the last position. I lost it and I closed the session. I opened position, long and short positions with the $450. And in December the 11th, my total revenue was $1,775. Yeah, I guess this is the end of this position. Another win. Yeah, this is perfect, guys. This is perfect. I love trading with Euro USD. I guess we still have another short position. So we opened 4 short positions previously, and we are still going down. All right. Now, December the 10th, I did not trade. December the 9th, I opened 3 position. I remember this was a bad session. I took 3 wins and I quit the session. Before that, December the 8th, on Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, I made 5 positions. I opened 5 positions and I made 5 wins. Yeah, with as you can see, $300 short positions and $200 short positions. I made, for example, here I made $564, and here I made $380. It's not the best, but it's a profit. So December the 8th, I'm talking about December the 8th, my total profit was $1,080. That day, $1,080. We have 3 seconds here. Let's take this one. Yeah. Yep, as predicted, it went down. It went down. So now everything is working perfectly. The parabolic SIR, look, the MACD, the RSI, yeah, everything is perfect. Bollinger Bands. Let's open another position here and let's go back. So as I was talking, December the 8th, I opened 5 positions. December the 5th, I opened 11 positions. As you can see, I made 2 losses, this one and this one. So I guess that it was perfect. It was perfect. 9 wins. And then I opened this 2 positions. It was wrong. So I lost in both positions and I had to quit. So yeah, the session previous to that was December the 4th. I was trading on US dollars, Canadian dollars. I made 1 loss. So I opened 8 positions. I made 1 loss. As you can see, all the time when I lose, I quit the session. All the time. That's my thing. So when I'm not trading with Euro USD, I don't like to recover. Now let's take this win and come back. Yes. I almost lost there. Last seconds, the market flipped. That's why I should open a long position here. I guess that we are supposed to open a long position here. Yeah, it's perfect. The candle is red. I must open a long, yeah, long position. So let's go back to where we stopped. So let me go back. So we was at December the 4th. I opened 8 positions, made 7 wins, and made 1 loss. Right? And then December the 2nd, I opened 15 positions. This one was perfect, right? This one was amazing, was perfect. I opened 15 positions and made 0 losses. Yeah, remember this session, 0 loss. I won all of them. And my investment, like this one, was $2,000. I get this type of sessions once a month or once in 2 months. And like in this case, I'm having this type of signals in 1 month twice. This one that I'm trading live now, and the one in December 2nd. Yeah, so let's take another win. Great. Until now, we made 11 positions and we won all of them. Amazing. I guess that the market is going up next. Yeah, with $3,000 as usual. Let's put, or let's long with $3,000. Now back December the 2nd. As you can see, I opened 15 positions. I won all of them. Mostly short positions, but I won all of them. So investing $2,000 and I made $3,840. So that day, only that day, December the 2nd, I made $27,600. 27,600 or $27,600. Amazing. Amazing. Unbelievable. December the 4th, I made $1,914. December the 5th, I made $1,803. So the total profit I made in December only, I'm not counting today, December only, let's take this one. Amazing, amazing. Today also we're making a lot of money. We're making a lot, but I'm not counting it. So let's open this this short position, sorry, and let's go back. So in the month of December, so from December the 2nd to December the 22nd, I made $42,896 in less than 1 month. In 20 days. So in 20 days, exactly in 20 days, I made $42,896. I guess this is the most profitable month in my whole career. I made $42,000 in one or in 20 days, less than 1 month. Amazing, right? So, guys, please remember, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. I'm making these videos for entertainment purposes only. I make these videos just to tell you that it is possible to make this amount of money, but I'm not guaranteeing you in any way that you will make the same amount of money. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. Let's take this win. Yep. And I hope that you understand that this is risky. You could lose your money. So be careful and take care.